Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome CEO Microsoft Corporation, Steve Ballmer.
Well, thanks. It's really great to be here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. In conjunction with that, first is the announcement of the Windows Mobile 6.5 operating system, which will become available on headsets later this year. Windows Mobile 6.5 delivers a new user experience with an improved user interface that includes touch and other interaction modalities. It has a new home screen, customizable widgets for speeding access to important applications. We're also improving the browsing experience to be more similar to the PC by bringing an updated version of our Internet Explorer software to Windows Mobile 6.5. With Windows Mobile 6.5, we're really, I think, taking mobile phones to a new level in terms of stitching together the PC, the phone, and the web, and bring those closer into a more seamless and simple user experience. It's no longer, as I said, about how the phone works by itself, but how it works in conjunction with the PC and the Internet. Bring the best of the PC, the cloud, and the phone together for my whole life. So with that, let's take a quick look. And so here I have the lock screen of Windows Mobile 6.5. And we've done quite a bit of user research to figure out why people pull their phones out of their pocket. What are the top things they want to accomplish? And it comes down to three pretty simple things. One, they want to know what time it is. Two, they want to figure out where they're supposed to be going. And three, they want to know why their phone has been buzzing or ringing or beeping in their pocket all day long. And now you have all of that information right on the lock screen. First, you have the current time. You have your next calendar appointment. You also have something that we call notifications, which basically tells me the ways that people have tried to get in touch with me since I last have locked my phone. And in this case, I've got a couple unread emails, a few unread text messages, and even some missed calls. I could slide any of these over and go directly into my email or my text messages or my missed calls, making it that much easier to respond to those people that are trying to get in touch with me very quickly. In this case, though, I want to go right into the home screen and walk you through that experience. So I'll just drag the lock bar over, and here you'll see the brand new home screen on Windows Mobile 6.5. I really have all of the information that matters to me right on the home screen, as you can see at a glance. So I can grab this bar and slide up. I can see if I have any voicemails. In this case, I've got a missed call. And I can even get to my IE favorites. So in this case, I've pinned a couple Internet Explorer favorites to the home screen, MSN.com, for example, and I can access those with just one touch. So much faster access to those websites that matter most to me. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, and you can see I can get my text messages, my email, and even my calendar. So in this case, with a couple swipes of my finger, I can walk you through my day. Just like that.
So this now seems to be a bit of a feature of yours.
What's happening there? You told me I had no social life. So now that we've announced Windows Mobile 6.5, I feel like my social life's about to change.
Okay.
I just met her last week at a party. I think we really hit it off.
Okay?
I'm going to show you a really quick picture of her as well, right from the home screen. And she's the one on the left. What do you think?
I didn't want to be the judge in front of everybody else.
Okay, all right, we'll let the crowd judge. But actually, I'm expecting an email from her. And right from my home screen, I can go into email and go into my Hotmail. So it looks like Dana has responded to an invitation I offered her last week. And as I open this up, first of all, it was great meeting you the other night. I checked my calendar and I can make the ski trip next week. That's great news.
So you just met her and you've invited to a ski trip straight away?
I told you it was a really deep connection. It felt like a movie.
Okay.
And you know, with just a swipe of my finger, I can go between between messages. It's kind of like flipping pages in a book. And the thing you notice about these emails is that they look just like the emails on my PC. And that's really one of the benefits of Windows. It's the same experience on my Windows phone as it is on my Windows PC. Now here I have my personal email, and with a single swipe of my finger, I can go right into my work email, my Outlook email. And I can swipe through. I have 200 emails. Ignore that, Andy.
Okay, that's the work life balance.
Yes, yeah. I promise I will not call Dana this afternoon and go through some of these emails. With another swipe of my finger, I can go right into my text messages. As I open this up, looks like Marty can't wait to go on our annual ski trip. You know, they always make fun of me about going solo on these trips every year.
Okay.
But this year I'm going to bring Dana with me. He's also tried to call me, and I have all of that information right from that text messaging screen. So with that, let's take a look at the new start screen on Windows Mobile 6.5. I'm going to actually press the hardware start button here to go to the start screen, which gives me access to all of those applications that I want to use most, that connects me to the information that I need with really just a few clicks.
But this is important. All of the Windows phones are going to have the same button on them. We're going to provide distinct value to the end customer, and they're going to be able to go into any store and be able to see which phones are Windows phones, because they'll all have a Windows flag on them. You press the button, you get access to all of the things that you can do on the phone through the start user interface.
Yeah, and so I can even customize the start screen and reorder the applications so the ones that I use most often can come up to the top.
Allows me to say always connected. I love my HTC Windows Phone very much. It made my personal and work life so organized.
I like how my Windows Phone combines the power of Sprint's 3G network with the Windows interface that I'm accustomed to on my PC.
My Toshiba Windows Phone keeps everything within reach, anytime, anywhere.
I've been a happy user of this Windows Phone. I'm using this every day.
And my customers really like their Windows phones, particularly on our world-leading, super-fast Next-G mobile network.
I love my LG Windows Phone. It's like carrying my whole life in my mouth.
And I am not the CEO of a big phone company. Yet. But I love my Windows Phone.
We are excited about the introduction of the new Windows Phone.
You notice the honeycomb menu seems to go to cover a lot of the UI.
Yes. When you say go to cover a lot, you mean it's doing a lot of work for us?
Yeah, it's not just a home screen. It covers a lot of different applications. If I install a new application, could that get a slot there?
You can. Some of our partners will update things, and then users can, in fact, update that and change it around.
So I can choose to put an app that I install in the honeycomb.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
In certain places. So some of them will likely be locked down because research shows that they like to be, people consistently like them there. Although, you know what I think is, as the user, I think you can dump everything. I think in the end, again, these aren't in production by the mobile operators and the OEMs yet, but my sense is it will be highly